How to use earphones as a microphone for recording videos. Well, you can't use your headphones to record your videos on the default camera app has a mic because it doesn't have that option. It doesn't have the option for external mics, so you have to download another app that supports external microphones. You open the Google Play app. Then we type open camera. You download it, then when it's done downloading, after downloading the app, you open it. Then you click settings at the top here. You go to video settings. Then you go at the bottom, you scroll at the bottom where there is audio source, you tap it. Then you tap external mic if present. By default it will be at camcorder, but then when you open it, you tap audio source, then you tap external mic in order for it to record externally. So thank you viewers, thanks for watching this video. I love you all. Please subscribe.